So mainly this video is for indicating how vegetables like cabbages, the one we have right now, grow well when they are irrigated, and when they get enough fertilizers. You see how good they are growing, huh? You see these black pipes are for bringing water into the field for irrigation. You see how good and how beautiful our garden of cabbages is. So do irrigated agriculture. So uyu murima murimo murabona rero ni umurima urimo amashu meza cyane uri kuhirwa. Aya matiyo murimo muragenda mubona y'umukara arimo ni amatiyo azana amazi kuri buri shu. Urabona ko amashu yanjye rero yakuze ameze neza. Muhinge mwuhira, mukunda ubuhinzi, kuhira. Urabona ko ari ibintu byiza cyane, ari amashu aryoshye ameze neza cyane. Amatiyo mubona aya kuhira, aya kuzana amazi mu murima tukuhira. We also have carrots, which are being irrigated as well. You see how beautiful all our carrots. These are our carrots under irrigation. These are our carrots under irrigation. Our carrots under irrigation. Our carrots under irrigation.